Hey, good afternoon and welcome back to the office one last time here today. This is Dulcimer number 871. This is a 25-inch VSL New Traditions Teardrop. This one is headed to Australia tomorrow, actually. This has got Port Orford Cedar top, master grade Port Orford Cedar top. I wish I could get the quilting to show up, but I just can't seem to get the light correct on that. And then master grade Myrtle, Oregon Myrtle on the back, which is just gorgeous. There's so much ribbon in this wood. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous wood. I love working with this. This is my go-to combination here at New Traditions, is Myrtle and Port Orford Cedar on both our dulcimers and our ukuleles. As I said, this one is headed down to Australia tomorrow to a guy named Brian, and she's ready to go. It's a great instrument. It's a 3-string. Brian specifically wanted 3 strings, so it's made specifically as a 3-string dulcimer. There you go. Number 871. New Traditions Teardrop, master grade Myrtle, and spruce. Lord bless you guys.